I got my Coke. Mas mura pa rin to. Ano kaya to? Malapit lang ng shopping. Sabihin nyo sa pika-pika pa. Sarado na. So, kaya ako. Kasi, mainit guys. So, bilis na itong trip ko. It's like 5 days. And why I'm coming here again is kasi diba natin nag-pray ako. So, dahil nag-pray ako for my brother, I'm gonna go back to the temple that I prayed for. So, don't forget when you're in Japan, you have to make sure that you have your Japan entry na QR plus the customs. Isa yan sa website nila. I'll just put the image here para at least makita nyo siya. And then, just use your GCash card dito para mag-withdraw kayo para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Okay, anyways, I'll go to the immigration muna. So guys, this is the airport. O diba, yun na itsura ng airport and I'm just going to get electronic. Oh, kasi meron kang electronic customs declaration dyan kayo guys. Make sure you have your QR. Okay guys, so reminder, kung meron ka ng QR, yung customs mo, mabilis lang. So make sure na meron ka ng customs. Kasi pagdating mo, scan your passport, scan the QR ng customs, tapos labas ka na. As in, ganun siya kabilis. This is how the airport will look like. So, ayan ang mga signs. Medyo under repair siya. Chartered bus, shuttle, na dyan. Okay, Fukuoka Station, train is on the right side together with the taxi. So, kung mag-Uber ka guys, pa-right side tayo. Okay. And what else is inside the airport? So, meron kang north entrance on the right at south entrance on the left side. And guys, may tourist information ka. Then you have currency exchange rate. Medyo intriga ako. I wanna see currency exchange. Alam niyo naman, I always have to see this. Ang currency exchange mo, walang Philippine peso. Pero we can base it on, let's say, USD. Guys, may 7-Eleven dito na machine. So for sure, okay ka dyan. Kasi yun yung mga importante na machine. Is nandyan ni Tetsu bus. Pwede kang mag-book ng bus dyan if ever kailangan mo. And then, entrance is here. The exit is here. Kasi dito yung mga taxis mo. Pati yung shuttle. Pati yung Fukuoka Station. Subway. So what's connected in the Fukuoka International Airport is your subway, which is K13. So tingnan ko na Uber mo will set you off. Kung sa Hakata ka nakastay guys, will set you off around 1,800, 1,600 yen. Bus will take you 200 to Hakata. So times 8 impression yan. So depending on your budget na lang or gaano ka kapagod. So yun yung pwede. Subway, walang subway kasi malapit sa where I'm going to stay. But guys, the airport is very small. Ito na yun, labas na ito na airport. Ganyan na. Ito na yun. Guys, ayan siya oh. Pag Uber or reserve taxi to the left ka. And then guys, may bus stop siya dyan. Oh. Yun yung bus stop mo to go to Hakata. Guys, itong bus stop, tingnan mo, itong number 1, domestic yan ha. As in, from international to domestic shuttle ha. Hindi siya yung tipong bus mo talaga na pupunta sa city. Number 2 is highway bus. So, ang highway bus mo, I think, iba tayo. So, make sure mo that you go to the right buses, guys. Hindi yung sasakay-sakay lang kayo ha. Ayan, may mga signs naman siya ganyan, guys. Maliit talaga dito. And then, you still have 3, 4, at saka blah blah. Ang dami talaga yan. And then, may city bus. And then 4, yan natin. Hakata Station, see? So, dapat number 4 ka to go to Hakata Station. And then, iintayin na lang natin yung bus na yan. Yan ang bus stop natin. Just plans, guys. Uber taxi tayo. So, yan siya yung Uber taxi. So, ito yung lalakarin mo. Okay. Now we know, pag Uber, diretso siya. So, kasi guys, nawalan niya yung bus. So, this is another way. Mas mahal siya, pero feeling ko sulit to if marami kayo. Not bad. Naku, medyo napantay ko si Kuya, kaya nag-rush ako ngayon. Oh, cute. In the corner, may Family Mart. I like this. Guys, yung mga amenities niya sa first floor. So, pag mag-check-in ka, kailangan kunin mo na siya. So guys, ito yung Toyo Hotel. Diba, this is what we got. Pagpasok mo, you have your sprays, your hangers, And then syempre you have your shoehorn, brushes, slippers, and then may malaki kang mirror here. And on the right side, yung bathroom mo na siya. So alam mo, very Japanese bathroom pa rin siya. Everything's provided, yung mga shampoo, body wash, conditioner mo. May bidet ka pa rin naman dito, bathtub, yung towels mo, lahat provided. And then, paglabas mo guys, it's already your bedroom. Ganun siya. It's maliit siya, but enough na siya, di ba? And on the left side, I mean, nandito yung air freshener mo. And then, the humidifier rin yan. Then you have your TV. Then you have a workstation here. Meron ka pa rin, di ba? At least you still have your mirror. And then guys, nandito yung kettle mo. And then you have your hair dryer. And syempre yung mga cups mo. Na yung coffee mo, nasa baba mo makukuha yung mga yan if ever. And then sa kama guys, ito yung favorite ko. May plug ka rin dito. And then alarm clock, switches, whatever you need. Medyo old siya, pero enough na, like not bad. And then may window ka dito. Yan talaga guys, may window ka dito. And nabubuksan tong window na to. O diba? Yun lang. O diba guys? Maganda dito guys, malapit kasi siya sa train station. Malapit siya sa Hakata Station. And then if ever kanina diba nag-taxi ako, roughly around 2,000 yen siya. So if ever baka nahirapan kayo sa bus o nagmadali kayo, that's one option. Syempre mas mahal yon, but it's an option that you can take. And then meron mga family mart sa labas. Meron din mga, pinaka-best niya is malapit sa station. So if ever you want to go tours, carry mo kasi sobrang dali lang. Hindi kayo mahihirapan. And lahat ng amenities mo na sa baba siya. I'll just get a piece of paper para at least alam nyo. Nandito rin yan eh. Diniscuss ni Kuya sa akin kanina. So here it is. Amenities. Diba? Amenities sa baba, may breakfast sila pero hindi ako kumuha ng breakfast. Pwede ka mag-store rin ng yung luggage mo, free rin yan. They have ice na sa baba and each floor will have a vending machine if ever you need a vending machine. So, for me, what I'm gonna do now, syempre ikot-ikot tayo para at least fun, para malaman natin kung anong pwede. But at least the weather here is not that hot. So, masaya ako. Kasi kung mainit guys, ayun natin. Guys, ito yung lobby ng Toyo Hotel. And then, on top of that, meron kang mga microwave na pwede mo kunin here. Pwede kang mag-microwave. So, if ever, dyan. So, pwede kang bumili ng meal if ever gusto mo. Guys, ito na siya. This is your area. And, ito yung itsura niya. May restaurant ka naman sa gilid. And like what I said, may family mart dito sa labas. So if ever you want. And then to go to Hakata Station, alam ko is pag ganun lang siya. May 7-Eleven doon if gusto niyo pa ng 7-Eleven. Tsaka may mga kainan. So what we're gonna do is maglalakad-lakad lang tayo up until we find something na gusto ko. O diba? Ganun lang talaga. So, alam niyo na gagawin ko is maglalakad para maghanap ng pagkain. And going back, oh my gosh guys, doon kami nagstay ni Aaron dati, sa Toyoko Inn na yan. Yan, dyan kami nagstay. So I'm sure dyan yung Hakata Station. Guys, naman may mga restaurants dito, oh. Like, a lot. Like, tawid ka lang ng street. You have these Japanese restaurants. And then, you have 7-Eleven. Ang lapit na. And then, maraming family mart pa dito sa kabila guys. Ayan o. So Hakata kasi is their main station. That's why I wanted to stay here again. Because malapit siya sa train na whatever you need to do, you're sure you can go. Kaya pupunta ako sa mga temples, di ba? So, that's why if I stay in Hakata, 100% sure, convenient is key. And for me, whenever you go to these places, I always recommend, basta may malapit ng station, okay. And ang kakaiba dito is mas mura talaga dito sa Fukuoka. Wait lang, 7-Eleven muna ako guys. Okay guys, sorry na ko kanina feeling ko na slow motion siya, but ito na, nanalo ang aking omu rice. So wait lang, para makita nyo na guys. Ito yung menu niya. So yes, that's everything. And then kanina, di ba, in-order ko naman siya. So I got extra salad and I got my lemon juice. Kasi I want vitamin C. Nandito pala ang sugar niya. Sige, wait lang. Ito pala ang sugar niya, guys. Gum syrup siya. So parang, yung pang-kape, ano yun. And later, bibili ako ng mga 7-Eleven stuff ko. Kasi apparently 9 o'clock na, guys. Yeah. Hindi ko siya minix. Syunga. Hindi mo kailangan lagyan ng gum syrup, guys. I-mix kasi. Nakakatawa talaga paminsan, no, si Jackson, yes. Pinanggagawa ko kasi. Ayan, okay, sarap. Okay. I was saying nga kanina, guys, diba, I was having a hard time choosing what to eat. Oh, by the way, may miso soup. And one thing that I want to share with you is, kanina may nabasa akong book eh. This is Thinking Clearly. Maganda yung sinabi na parang ito, it usually happens to me rin na parang when you go out with your friends, when you have, let's say, diba, discussions na parang sinasabi nyo, usually ang sinasabi mo, I don't want to eat in this place. I don't want to eat Japanese food. I don't want to eat Korean food. I don't want to eat etong food. But next time, ang sabi nila, when you create these kinds of recommendation or when you have this discussion with your friends, ang next time dapat ginagawa nyo is when you give, wag ka mag-negate, wag negative format, yung ayoko kumain dito. Ang dapat sinabi mo, I want to eat, let's say, I want to eat somewhere na may salad and gusto ko malapit lang. Gutom na ako, hindi ko kailangan mamili ng kahit anong restaurant rather than saying na ayoko kumain dito, ayoko kumain doon. Di ba ang ganda nung ganong thinking clearly and when you have discussion with your friends kasi it will help you, prompt you to go to a solution rather than a non-solution. Nagets nyo? Parang ganun siya, guys. Wala na, natuwa lang ako. That's why I wanted to share with you. Okay, ito try ko na yung miso soup. Nakasyong-syong ako pa kanina, guys. Akala ko ano to. Sabi ko, ano kaya to? Ano ba to? Lemon juice? Imimix ko dito. Kasi yung lemon juice niya kanina na binigay sa akin, parang walang kakulay-kulay. Tapos nung naamoy ko, miso soup, sorry naman. Guys, ang sarap nito. Oh my God. Itsura pa lang. Ano na, guys? Parang I'm craving, ha? Mali ito, ha? Guys, tingnan mo. Pag omurice kasi, pag slice nyo yan, ganyan talaga yung loob. Ketchup talaga ang sikat nila dito. Ayun o, ketchup siya. So at least, may konting rice, pero may protein tayo. Let's try the pork. Masarap. Guys, ang crunchy ng pork. Grabe. Okay, masaya ako dito. Okay, kain na ako ng ice cream. Deserve ko namang kumain ng ice cream, guys. Char. Gosh, let's try this. Naku, lumambot na siya. I think this is the one that has the mochi on top. I'm correct! Oh my God. Ay, lambot. Caramel. Mochi na siya, guys. Yun mo. I think dapat ipag-melt mo siya para mas stretchy pa siya. Pero asama na. Wait, guys. Ayun o, medyo gooey-gooey siya, guys. Pero, alam niyo naman, guys, gusto ko kumain kasi ng ice cream. Yung favorite kong ice cream, yung, ayan o, medyo gooey nga siya. Mahilig kasi ako, guys, sa ice cream na matigas pa. Alam mo yung kinakagat mo talaga. Ako lang naman yun, mahilig ako sa ganung ice cream. Yung parang, ayun o, diba? O, stretchy. Yan yung mochi niya. Favorite ko pala ito ganito dito, guys. Alam mo, na-realize ko. Hanapin ko yung water dispenser nila dito. One ice coffee. I got my coffee. Alam niyo naman, guys, every morning, I need my coffee. And, gold ko. So, we're walking towards the Hakaka Station. The-train tayo to go around the city. But Fukuoka is known for food, actually. And the weather now, medyo nasa 23, 24. Hindi siya so malamig, pero comfortable. Hindi siya yung dati na yung tako dito na day, ang init talaga. I'm telling you, pag summer, wag talaga. As in, feeling ko aayawin mo siya or parang don't forget to also put on and wear your sunscreen. Diba? Kasi kailangan lagi may sunscreen. Kung ayaw mo siya ng araw, may payong din ako. Pero, saan may shade muna tayo? So, yon ang aking pupuntahan today. By the way, gusto ko rin mag-KFC, mag-McDo. Every time I usually go to a new country, I will always go to their McDonald's and KFC because wala lang, gusto ko siya makita and gusto ko din try yung maraming mga cards and para malaman yung lasa ng mga pagkain nila. Okay, mag-abang muna ko dito ng shade. And ayan na yung Hakata. This is the back. JR kasi to guys. Yung sa harapan yung malaki, yung may malls. At yung Hakata Station guys. So I'm going to move to the subway line. Hindi siya subway line, the K line. Hakata. My gosh, ganito yung itsura sa loob. You have everything that you need. Food. Guys, so follow mo yung subway airport line. Kasi that's the color eh. Kasi it's orange eh. Parang lang yung clue ko whenever I look for something. Kung color niya is orange, sa Google Maps, orange rin yan. So, titignan ko kung tama. I have time. Kaya pwede tayong mawala if ever. And guys, look, pwede na mag-visa. Pero hindi kailangan. I have this. So what's cool about it guys, pwede na pala mga credit cards. Well, some stations pwede na siya. And I think that's how it is kasi remember na nakakaubusan ng mga iCoca card. So if ever you don't have the iCoca card, use your credit card. And so bababa na tayo dun sa station. So 2 stops lang siya from Hakata to the Kawa. Ito na naman ako. Mahina ako sa mga names nila, pero alam ko yung itsura. Airport pala to. Ito yung sa airport lane, left. And then ito yung papunta doon sa pupuntahan kong stop. Which is the itsura namin. Ang daming tao. Pero, gee, saan tayo na isang mas konting so dito, exit 1. So make sure mo, pag pupunta ka dito, makikita mo rin kung anong exit siya. So ayun, exit 567, exit 1. So, kailangan alamin mo saan yung exit nyo, guys. Ayan siya. You will always have this signboard. So, kung exit 1 ka, sulat rin sa Google Map, exit 1, diretso ka doon. So, that's why for me, always have data, always have Google Maps. Kasi, it's very reliable. And if you're like me, na parang gusto mo yung liwaliw-liwaliw ka, umiikot ka, then ganito yung gawin mo rin as well. And then ito siya. So aakyat ako here sa exit. Kasi ito yung medyo dulo niya. And then makita mo dito, when we go up, you'll see na, okay, ayan yung exit 1. Here you go. Pili ko gagawa ko ng TikTok na about tips on how to ride the trains. So like guys, alam ko maikli yung hair ko right now. Baka nanibago kayo. Pero, fuck you! Makita mo, exit 1, exit 2, Nakasu. Diba? So, alam mo yun siya. So, kung nakaso ka, pasok ka doon, dyan ka lalabas. So, make sure you have your iCoca. And then, tinan mo, kung may visa name, dyan kayo mag-visa. Pero kung wala ka naman, just use your cards. Yan guys, makita niyo yung card ko. So, siya now, visit my iCoca. And then, nag-flip pa yung ko, diba, card. Ayan, yan. Exit 1. Diyan siya. And then, jockey tayo. Guys, lapit ang camera sa mukha ko kasi Hinahawakan ko yung kape ko. Sabihin niyo, Jack, sa pakape-kape ka pa. Eh, kailangan natin may kape. Mahirap na. Okay. Walk 4 meters from exit 1. Okay. Ito na siya guys, wait lang. Books. Yan ang ichiran mo. Haba ng pila. Pero, dead na. Pipila tayo. Guys, ito na yung order sheet mo. So you have dashi, which is your stock, richness, garlic, green onion, chashu, basically your pork, and then spiciness level mo, and then your noodle thickness. So that na naka-circle will be your recommended. But syempre, I think go with what you want, diba? Search here, guys. So guys, mga I think 1 hour na pumila. Pero, carry lang. Ayan na, parating na yung mga food natin. Ayun na, oh. Teka to. So, alam na natin. Seaweed. Before anything else, hands, i-wash natin. And then ito, pinagsasama mo pa rin siya lahat. Okay. And then, get your chopsticks. Siyempre, first thing, you have to try the broth. Masarap. Masarap. Ayan, masarap. Firm din siya. The egg. Do you want water? Cold water siya. Guys, ubos, di ba? Okay, so, ayan na. So, almond milk siya, guys. So, I'm going to get the Hakozaki line, guys. Kasi pupunta tayo sa second-hand shop. I've never brought you guys to second-hand shopping. Pero, nakita ko kasi si Lorene Uy pumunta dito. So, I just wanted to see. And medyo marami ako nakita. But, I would also go to other second-hand stores para makita ko. I can bring you guys to more second-hand shops. And, so this is doon sa 2nd Street. Hakozaki Maya May area siya. So all you have to do, again, Google Maps ang talaga yan. Titignan mo kung saan yung stop mo. And that's it. Grabe guys, walang katao-tao. Parang ako lang na dito sa train station. Pati ang train, walang tao dahil. Pak. O, di mag-isa tayo sa train. Sayang. Makakaupo tayo. Wow. Pak! Ang tao. Ay. Tao sa train station. Char. Para sa bakit walang tao dito. Konti talaga tao dito sa station na to, guys. Or yung buong line na yan kanina. So guys, yun yung subway. And then, lalakarin natin to. We'll just follow the maps, guys. Sa mga side corners to, yung mga eskinita, baka hindi nyo ito makita. Lagay lang natin yung map dito. Guys, ito na yung 2nd Street. Came in from that. And then dito na siya. Shook. Dami tao. And na guys, this is 2nd Street. Ikot lang tayo, di ba? Daming gamit. Oh my gosh, look. Okay guys, yun yung mga stuff nila here. So, if it's the more oh my god, sabi yan. So, if ever yung mas mahal nila, mas bago, maganda quality, nasa ibang corner siya guys. Nandito pala siya sa corner na to. So, tingnan natin yung mga prices for your reference. Katabi nito, the second shop, diba? Meron siyang Seria. Ito, parang siyang Daiso. Pero parang mas mura tong Seria. So, ito pupuntahan ko talaga. Ayan yung mga gamit sa loob. This one, I think I like. So, pupuntahan ko. Ngayon ako dito hanap ng mga Ziplocs. If ever. Cute to. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung mga cute dito. Yung mga ganito. Yung mga Ziplocs. Diba sinasabi ko, ito yung mga binibili ko usually. Ito. Ang cute ng mga ganito. Diba parang yung favorite food mo. Tapos ito may mga zip na ganito. Tsaka lalagay yung mga money when you're traveling. So pwede nyo gamitin yan. And then ito ang cute, diba? This one is so cute, look. Ito, art. If you love art. Guys. 100 yen lang siya, oh. 330. Payment.
Payment by credit card selected. Please insert your credit card.
And then syempre guys, wala silang bag. So you have to put it inside your bag. Hirap po. Guys, may nakita kasi akong max value dyan, Ion. So, I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna show you why groceries do work. Buti nakita ko lang siya from the second street there. And, alam niyo naman ako, may maglakad. So, gusto ko umiikot-ikot. Mas mura yung mga stock dyan. Kaya if ever may nakikita kayong gano'n, always check it out. And buy your stuff there, mga groceries nyo. Even yung pasalubos, pwede nyo bilhin dyan. Ayan siya guys. Max value. Sure niya. Oh, cute naman itong castle na to. Shrine. Or figure. Ayan na guys. Max value. So, you're gonna go inside and see stuffs. I did na-include siya sa previous vlog. Pero baka hindi lang yan nakapanood. But, yes. Ito itsura ng max value. Yeah. Bread! My God, yun yung itsura niyan. Lahat. Ayan, my God, lahat. Tapos, sa gabi, nagsisale yan, guys. Nagsisale yan ng mga 50 off, gano'n. Guys, oh, ang dami ng food. Ganyan, that's why I super love groceries in Japan. Ganyan, ayan, may mga ganito. Mga food, mga maiinit. Ganyan, oh. Guys, mga mincha, oh my God, yes, I love those. Yan, bibilin ko yan. Even mga candies, mga gummies, ganyan, lahat meron dito. Like, yung favorite, like gummy na favorite ng kapatid ko, yung mga ganyan, yan. It's all here. Kasi at nabili ko na yung mga, some of the stuff na gusto nila, so max value. I got my Coke. Mas mura pa rin to if you buy here rather than in the 7-Eleven, for sure. So, yun lang. Walang bus. Bali yung bus stop. So, may note doon na kailangan doon siya sa ibang side. Eh, na-miss ko na siya. So, train na lang. Dito lang na may subway. Sa JR ka, na exit, labas, left, Toyota na yun. Rather than going to the front, iikot ka ng mas malayo. So, alam nila, I think that's the shortest. Well, for me, yan yung shortest. So, if ever gonna stay, kasi diba, yan yung station, Toyo is there. Diba, tapat lang yan ng Family Mart dyan. So, mas malapit siya. Cross the street lang eh. Guys, Tokyo Hands tayo. So, for this day, sa ano ko, JR Hakata City. Kasi, ikot-ikot na muna ako. And, may ginawa ko trabaho, kaya sa ano, malapit lang muna ang shopping. And then, I want to actually go to Tokyo Hands kasi may Porter dito. So if you are a Porter fan, meron dito yan. I remember back then, bumili kami ng friend ko dito. Sobrang tagal na noon. As in, sobrang mura pa ng Porter noon. Pero meron yan dito. Titingin tayo. Hanap ko dinner guys. And sikat kasi ang mentay ko dito, which is like fish roll. So, meron malapit dito na parang nakita ko online na sikat daw siya. So, pipilahan ko na lang siya. 600 meters lang daw siya. And guys, 600 meters is like sobrang lapit kaya kaya natin lakarin. It's called Uodet. So, hopefully, hindi pa siya sarado. Kasi mga punta ko dapat sarado na. So guys, ito yung itsura niya. And very cute, diba? And I want to introduce to you, ito daw ang kanilang specialty menu. Medyo, oh my gosh, feeling ko, yan yung mga sikat eh. Then meron silang mga food menu here. And then definitely you have drinks menu. So kailangan mag-order daw na isang food at saka isang drink. Alam mo, ang cute pa nito. Meron pa silang ganito, map of the Hakata area. Diba? Which is the airport. Then you have, this is Hakata Station. Then you have all of the different sites that you can go. Diba? But the shopping area, cute. But guys, tingnan mo naman to. Ang laki niya. Tapos may sticker ka. So yan yung fish roll. Yan yung tamago. And then may eggs pa. Ang dami. Ano ba yan? Gabi. So, rice ang ilalim niya, guys. So, fish, egg, and then rice to. So, ganito siya. Per spoon. Ay, laglag. I get it. Kasi ito yung fish roll. Ito ang mentay ko. Ito siya. Masarap. This is not bad. Oh my God. Oh my God, sarap niya. Okay, worth it talaga to. Wait. Zoom in ko sa inyo, guys. Ganun ang itsura mo. That's your mentay ko. Ang cute. Arigato. And then I also got chicken. So guys, meron pa akong chicken dyan. So I got karaage. Sorry akin yan. Pasensya na. Nalaglag siya nung pinapakita ko kanina yung mentay ko. Ano? Chopsticks. So, let's try the chicken. Ang ingat. Ang lambot. Try natin siya with vinegar. Sarap ng vinegar. Oh my gosh. Lemon zest. This is lemon zest. And I feel pwede mo siya ilagay sa vinegar mo para lemony siya. Tingnan natin. Parang lemon zest siya. Yuzu. It's yuzu. Sorry, it's not lemon. It's yuzu. Ang sarap. Hindi ko alam yung bill. Malalaman natin mamaya. Pero feeling ko nasa, ano siya, nasa 4,000 yen. Bill reveal natin was 3,850 yen. Ang tatay ko din ha, di ba? I assume na 4,000 lang ito kanina. Medyo tama.